the quiet desert, a little purple dinosaur felt lonely and weak.
Today, we are going to create something completely new, unique, and 100% monetizable. First of all, take a look at this channel. As you can see, it has over 116,000 subscribers. If we look at the views, one video has received more than 539,000 views, while another video has reached an incredible 25 million views. Yes, you can see that one video alone has 25 million views. You can also create videos exactly like these. These are trending videos, and as you can see, some videos have 860,000 views and even over 2 million views. This proves that this type of content has huge potential. Now, one question many people ask is this channel monetized? If you look at Google Chrome, it is monetized and earns around 2.9 KD per month, according to YouTube Social Blade estimates. The answer is yes, this channel is monetized. According to online estimates, its monthly earnings are approximately $740 to $12,000 per month. On average, the channel can generate several $1,000s per year, making it a profitable niche. The best part is that you can create a similar channel as well. In today's video, I will show you how to create these videos completely for free. I will also explain the best way to upload your videos, how to find highly searchable titles, how to write effective descriptions, how to generate SEO tags, and how to use AI tools to make the entire process easier. I will guide you through everything, step by step in this video. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. Let's get started and learn how to create trending videos that can attract millions of views.
First of all, open ChatGPT and copy and paste the green prompt, then click Next. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT will analyze everything automatically and ask you to send the links of the channel whose videos you want to create. After that, for example, if I want to create videos like a specific channel, I will open that channel, copy one of its video links, and paste it. Then I can copy and paste another link as well. You can provide 2 or 3 links. Once you paste the links, ChatGPT will analyze them and generate everything, including the story structure, style, and other important details. Next, copy all 3 red prompts, 1, prompt 2, and prompt 3 along with the green prompt at the end. Then go back to ChatGPT and paste them together. As soon as you paste them, you will receive a 150-word story along with image prompts and video prompts. You can also modify them as you like and generate 8-10 prompts or even more. You can edit the story according to your needs. For example, if you want a 200-word story instead of 150 words, simply adjust the prompt once everything is generated. Your image prompts and video prompts will be ready. Now we have our image prompts and video prompts prepared, and the next step is to create the video for free. Let me show you how to use it after that. The website we will use for creating AI videos is Flowlabs AI. Yes, it is an amazing platform for generating high-quality AI videos. When you sign up with a new email, it gives you 150 free credits to start with. After that, you continue receiving 50 free credits daily, which you can use to create AI videos easily. Today, we will use this platform to create AI videos completely free. First, copy the image prompt and video prompt generated by ChatGPT. Then, paste them into Flowlabs AI. Set the video size to 9:16 for shorts or reels. You can also adjust other settings according to your needs. Once you click Generate, the video creation process will begin. After a short wait, your video will be ready. As you can see, the results are impressive and the quality is excellent. Now, I will copy another prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Flowlabs AI. After a few moments, another video will be generated. The results are again high quality and visually appealing. You can continue creating videos this way. If your credits run out, simply use another email account. Log in through a different browser or profile with another email address. Since I already have another email connected, I can open Flowlabs AI there and receive additional free credits. After receiving the credits, I simply copy and paste another prompt and the video starts generating again. As you can see, the final result is excellent and the video is ready.
In
This is how you can use FlowLab's AI to create AI videos for free. Now, the next important step is learning the correct way to upload your videos and how to set up keywords, hashtags, SEO tags, and other optimization settings. This part is extremely important, and in the next section, I will show you exactly how to upload your videos properly for the best results. Now, the next step is to open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, we will use it to create the best titles for our videos. For example, here is a YouTube channel. I will open one of its videos, copy the title, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then I will simply type, "This is my title. Please give me 5 best searchable titles." ChatGPT will analyze the title and generate 5 highly searchable title ideas that can help your video reach a larger audience and potentially go viral faster. You can use this method with any channel you want to follow or take inspiration from. After getting the 5 title suggestions, I will type, "Give me 1 best title." ChatGPT will then recommend the strongest title from the list. If I want an even better option, I can ask again, and ChatGPT will provide another highly searchable title. Once I have selected the title, I will copy it and then ask ChatGPT, "No, please give me the best searchable description, 12 hashtags, and 24 SEO tags separated by commas." ChatGPT will instantly generate a complete description, relevant hashtags, and SEO tags for the video. After that, keep everything ready and go to YouTube Studio. Click on Create and then Upload Video. Once you are on the upload page, first paste the title generated by ChatGPT. Then, paste the description. You can also use the hashtags provided by ChatGPT, which can help improve search visibility. Finally, copy and paste the SEO tags as well. ChatGPT is very effective at generating optimized titles, descriptions, hashtags, and SEO tags, making the process much easier. When everything is ready, you can either schedule the video or publish it immediately. In my experience, uploading at the same time consistently works best. I usually upload around 5 p.m., but you should choose a time when your audience is most active. Try to keep the same upload schedule every time. Also, upload 1 video every other day consistently. This can help your channel grow faster over time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video so you can watch more helpful content like this in the future.
In the middle of the quiet desert, a little purple dinosaur felt lonely and weak.